Looking to elevate your biking game to the next level? Ever wondered what a mid-drive e-bike conversion kit could offer in terms of power and performance? Then you have come to the right place as we cover the top 5 picks so you don't have to suffer through subpar rides again. We have compiled our picks to suit different preferences and tastes, so make sure to stay tuned till the end to discover the perfect electric bike conversion kit for you. Also hit that like button and do subscribe for future updates. The X1 Pro Gen 4 mid-drive conversion kit is engineered for extreme power, off-road capabilities, and utility purposes, catering to enthusiasts seeking unparalleled performance. Boasting a formidable 5,000-watt power output and 250 Nm torque, it stands out as a powerhouse in the electric bike conversion realm. Equipped with a Gen 4 torque sensor and an X12 controller rated at 5,000 watt, this kit ensures precise control and optimal power delivery. Its redesigned motor core, offering a 25% longer motor, achieves an impressive power-to-weight ratio of 1.5 kilowatts per kilogram, setting a new standard in the e-bike market. The X12 controller, with double the capacity of its predecessor, enables extreme rides with up to 6 kilowatts of peak power, making it ideal for challenging terrains. Advanced torque sensing technology ensures instant engagement and an exceptional pedal assist experience, ensuring durability even during the most demanding rides. With supreme compatibility, fitting over 95% of available bike frames, the X1 Pro Gen 4 opens doors to exploration and adventure, from rugged mountains to scenic coastlines. The Bafang BBS03 is the go-to choice for riders seeking an off-road focused, high-powered conversion kit that seamlessly blends electric bike performance with the joy of traditional pedaling. Renowned as the pinnacle of mid-drive motors in the electric bike world, this kit delivers massive torque output of up to 160 Nm and an impressive top speed of up to 38 miles per hour, ensuring exhilarating rides on any terrain. Engineered for quiet operation and unparalleled durability, the Bafang BBS03 features fully waterproof and internally lubricated components housed within sealed casings, promising reliability in any weather condition. What sets this kit apart is its integration of an integrated speed sensor, allowing compatibility with standard bikes while delivering exceptional performance. Moreover, the inclusion of the patented gear sensor from Agentura Repro ensures smooth gear shifts and protects the transmission from the immense torque generated by the BBSHD motor. With gear sensor's innovative design, riders can effortlessly navigate challenging terrains without worrying about power interruptions or transmission damage, making the Bafang BBS03 the ultimate choice for off-road adventurers seeking unmatched power and reliability in their electric bike conversion experience. The Bikee Bike Best Mid-Drive Kit, hailing from the esteemed Italian company, emerges as a frontrunner in the electric bike conversion market, prized for its remarkable lightweight design and exceptional performance capabilities. Touted as the lightest mid-drive kit available, it boasts an impressively low motor weight of just 1.75 kilograms for the 250-watt rated version, promising minimal impact on the overall weight of the recipient bike. Even when paired with a standard 250 watt-hour battery, adding a mere 4 kilograms to the bike's weight, riders can enjoy enhanced power and efficiency without sacrificing maneuverability. For those seeking even more power, higher-rated versions are available, capable of operating at up to 1,000 watt, while battery options extend to 840 watt-hour. The motor's claimed torque of 120 Nm ensures robust performance on various terrains, delivering a thrilling riding experience. Notably, the kit features torque sensing technology and offers swift removal, allowing users to effortlessly switch between electric and non-electric modes, elevating the biking experience to new heights of convenience and innovation. With its compact dimensions and user-friendly design, the Bikee Bike Mid-Drive Kit stands as a beacon of excellence in the realm of electric bike conversions, promising versatility, efficiency, and unmatched performance for riders of all levels. The Cyc Motor Photon emerges as a game-changer in the realm of electric bike conversion kits, prioritizing seamless integration and natural pedal assist sensation. Boasting a compact and lightweight design, This kit redefines the riding experience with its smooth and intuitive performance. Rated at 750 watt and 110 Newton meter, it offers the perfect balance of power and efficiency, ensuring effortless rides across various terrains. Compatible with battery packs ranging from 36 volt to 52 volt, the Photon provides versatility to suit different preferences and needs. Its advanced torque sensing technology guarantees a seamless pedal assist experience, complemented by a helical gear design that ensures both quality and silence during rides. Weighing just 3.2 kilograms without cranks, the Photon remains unobtrusive while delivering exceptional performance. With firmware options available for both 250 watt and 750 watt versions, riders can tailor their experience according to their preferences. Offering a range of chainring and bottom bracket options, including press-fit compatibility with adapters, the Cyc Motor Photon stands out as a versatile and adaptable choice for electric bike enthusiasts seeking cutting-edge technology and effortless performance. The Pendix eDrive conversion kit represents a paradigm shift in electric bike technology, embodying a perfect fusion of power, intelligence, and efficiency. With a formidable 65 Newton meters of torque, this new generation motor not only delivers unmatched strength, but also exhibits a heightened level of intelligence, thanks to significant enhancements in both mechanics and firmware. Engineers at Pendix have ingeniously increased the proportion of active material in the electric machine through sophisticated stator design adaptations, resulting in a motor capable of generating maximum torque. Complementing this innovation is the Pendix Bike Pro app, which seamlessly integrates with the smart Pendix system, offering riders unparalleled control and customization options. Additionally, the kit features 3 distinct pedal assistance modes: Eco, Smart, and Sport, each tailored to specific riding scenarios, ensuring an optimal balance of power and efficiency. Despite its robust performance, the Pendix eDrive remains remarkably compact and quiet, with a streamlined design that belies its powerful capabilities. Free from gears and mechanical wear parts, this gearless motor requires minimal maintenance, offering riders a hassle-free and virtually noiseless riding experience. Whether conquering hills or cruising through urban landscapes, the Pendix eDrive empowers riders to take control of their journey and enjoy the freedom of effortless cycling. So, which Ebike conversion kit caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and updated prices. Also, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.